Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start the Onsen Egg treasure hunt in Heartopia, and I will also be showing you guys where the first egg is. So talk to Naughty Boy here in the onsen area. Select the Onsen Egg Promise task. Okay, leave it to me. It says find and take a photo of the gift egg Naughty hid at Onsen Mountain. The first location will be located here. Let me just take a picture for rainbow. Let me just take a picture for my thumbnail real quick. Sorry guys, it's a must. It's a must. Okay, so, well, I also need to take a picture of the egg anyway, so take a picture of the egg, and then you're just going to grab it, well, hatch it, or not, okay, but that's where the first egg is. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. And that is it for day 1 of the Onsen Egg Promise treasure hunt. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.